What's good, my people? GizzyCredit back again with some more credit repair results. This time from Hawaii. Customer got everything, well, almost everything removed, but his bankruptcy was removed from Equifax. Many of you are like, hey, Giz, you always showing Equifax credit repair results. And mostly all the videos that you've seen have been of a lot of times giving Equifax credit repair results. But as you can see from all the videos that we post, we also give results for Transunion and Experian. It just so happens that, hey, we're giving out credit repair results for Equifax. Anyways, let's go with the video.
Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit.
GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it.
Hollywood
Pathetic. Gizzy.
Alrighty, mi gente, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any one of our fast credit repair results videos, including our podcast that we have. Hey, if you want to check out, we have right over here. Okay, we have the child support removal, and right down here we have the podcast. Okay, many of you been hitting me up. You got child support issues that need removed. Hey, let's go. And of course, best way to contact me if you're looking for a credit repair quote. I am revamping this website. FYI, my website will be nicer. But hey, if you're looking for a credit repair quote, just write your info right here. If not, text message me your email address to this info below that you see right here. Or you can email me, which is the fastest way that you get in contact with us. And I respond back normally in 24 hours or less, but that's what I say. But in reality, I get back to you ASAP. Okay, so this customer is from Kihei. I think that's how you pronounce it. Kihie. Kihei, Hawaii. Thank you so much for the people in Hawaii who constantly keep us busy. Throughout my years, I've helped a couple of people, even helped these people twice. I got a couple of customers from Hawaii who did good with their business, and then something happened, which normally does, and then they mess up, and then they recall me back again. Gizzy, can you please help me get back on track? We don't have a problem with that. Anyways, let's get into this credit report. Thank you so much. As you can see right over here, it says account public information, the public record. We see right over here, it says this item has been deleted from the credit file, which is the federal bankruptcy in Honolulu, Hawaii. Yay. Good for this customer on starting credit repair and getting these fast credit repair results. As you can see, we also were able to remove the digital federal credit union, the First Premier, Pentagon, Hawaii USA Federal Credit Union. Let me tell you something. The credit unions are normally the best place to get financing. And damn, right over here, the digital, the Pentagon. Oh man, those places, they give you anything if you have good credit. As you can see, another digital credit union has been deleted. And of course, we got the THD account, which was verified, but still great results for this customer. In the first 30 days of him starting credit repair, everything was removed. That's what's up. Thank you so much. Making this a short video for you guys to see what things are possible for you. Just want to say thank you for the people. I'm in New Jersey, but I got customers all over the United States. I got a customer in Italy as well, Afghanistan, Bahrain, with the Israel and Bahrain now, liking each other. Trump doing his overseas policies and all that. Everything is working. Even those people in Bahrain who are in the military can start credit repair as well. And I got a customer out there in Bahrain who always watches my videos too. Shout out to you. Hope you're doing well. And shout out to other people in Saudi Arabia and in China as well who are teachers teaching English. All right. Thank you so much. And for you, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, becoming a new subscriber, and watching these videos. I try and make these videos on a weekly basis to keep you guys entertained, and not only that, but keep integrity and communication with you guys, let you know what I'm doing so you guys could better trust, because I don't have an office, and as a matter of fact, I've never had a credit repair office doing this online. It's always been I never had a brick and mortar, always been online. So thank you so much for trusting, and hashtag GizzyCredit team and coming through for you. Thank you so much. And of course, if you're looking for some more credit repair results, also, you want to see the best way to purchase a vehicle is not actually going with a good credit score to the car dealership. It's actually you getting your credit fixed, getting the best credit, and then getting financing first, and then go to the car dealership. Anyways, I'll post a video of people who, they talk about more in detail how to purchase a vehicle right over here. As far as you guys, you see how we position people to refinance or get a new vehicle loan, definitely watch this video right here. Mi gente, bendiciones to you. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plans.